What's up, guys? Bobby K here, man. It's good to see you guys, man. And we're not on at 9 in the morning. I just wanted to make a quick video, guys, to show you the trade we took today. Okay, we made 180 pips on US 30 today live on the live stream. We do this every day. I can't remember the last time I lost a trade, man, to tell you the truth. We trade the 1 minute. We trade US 30, NAS, or gold, whichever one is giving us the best setup for the day. Every once in a blue moon, we have a day where we don't get a trade, but it's very rare. But it does happen. It happens a couple times a year, I would say, maybe 5 times. So this is today's trade, guys. So like I said, we do this every day. Guys, I have a Telegram group, and I just began posting all of my trades in there. I come on live every day, and I do this. We do a scalp. I try to make it quick. We call it the win for the day, you know. But I come on around 9. We're usually done by 9:30, 10 o'clock, usually the latest. And, we try to wrap it up quick. So like I say, we can go fishing or whatever. But I take other trades during the day. I have alerts set and stuff like that. And I trade on the daily chart too. When I do the scalping live, it's always on the 1 minute chart or a real low time frame. But I do trade on the daily, and I'm posting all those trades in the free Telegram group. The link will be below the video. But I just want to show you what happened today. This is textbook. This is how it happens just about every day. I'm going to start the now this is a trade we took today. This is not live. This is a trade we took this morning. If you go to today's date, today is 5/28/2026. If you look on the channel, you can actually see the live stream for this trade. And you can see how we handled it live. But I'm just going to talk us through it now. I'm going to explain why we took it. All right, you can see right here, okay, this is US 30. We got the session bias was bearish. So we're looking for a sell. So we got a nice push up here, which I like. You can see here we swept this area. When I say swept, we shot a wick up. We took the liquidity here. We came back down. Okay, you can see here we came below this area, which is called a break of structure. Okay, you can see right here it says break of structure. I don't know if you can see that, but I have an indicator that puts it. It says break of structure. Then we're waiting for it to pull back to this fair value gap. Okay, I announced it on the video. This is a perfect textbook entry, okay, of how we trade. So this is what happened. All right, you can see that we got in right here. Right, guys? I mean, it went quick. We entered right here. As soon as it touched this fair value gap, there was like no drawdown, man. And I entered manually, and I closed manually. Okay, you can see I got it a little quicker than I wanted to. But here's the deal. So what I do is I usually set a TP. I don't set a stop loss. I'll set a TP. This is usually it's at least 50 pips usually. But it's based on structure. If I can find a piece of structure that I want to take profit, I'll set a TP there. It could be 40 pips, 50 pips, 60 pips. Usually I'm looking for at least 25 pips in the bank. So 50 pips, I'll take half. And once I take the TP, then I put the stop loss. You can see I put it here. Let me blow this up a little bit. We had an engulfing candle here that came down. I put it right at the back of the engulfing candle in profit. My stop loss is always in profit. You'll see this when you trade with us, guys. We do this every day, 9 a.m. Come on, guys. Like, subscribe. Come and join us, man. We need people. I've been doing this for a couple of years on YouTube, and I never, what do you call it? Like advertise or anything. I just do it. I started doing this because I was bored trading by myself. But you'll see on my if you go to my channel, I made a video where I saw this guy. I can't remember his name now. McLennan. He's like he's a trader. I can't remember his first name, but he made a video and he was saying, "Why don't these guys ever show that P&L?" So I was like, "P&L? Huh, let me look." I was using another broker then when I made that video, but I went and looked for it in the back office. I had never even looked for it, and I went back a year. And for the year, I traded a 96% win rate with like I don't know, like 500 trades. You can see the video now. I went back there and showed the whole back office. And then I went 6 months after that, I made another video, and it was like 98% or maybe it was 96, 94, something like that. But I knew I had a good win rate. I knew I very, very rarely lose a trade, you know? But I didn't know it was that high, so it kind of took me by surprise. So I made a video about it. You can see it on the channel. So this is where I got out, guys. All right, I have my TP set right here, where I was, you know, just for a visual while we're on the stream. I was telling everybody I was going to close here. But it came down so fast, I held. I ended up closing here. It was about 180 pips. And it went fast, man. Today was textbook. Close to 180 pips. Yeah, see? It's 180, pretty much exactly 179, you know. Anyway, guys, come and join us, man. I just wanted to show you guys this how it went. And this is how we trade. We do it every day, man. So I'll see you guys on tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. Freaky Friday, I call it. I don't really like trading Friday, but I trade every Friday. So come join us, man. All right, I'll see you guys on the live stream, man. Please like and subscribe to this video. I appreciate it, guys. I want to start building the channel. It's time now to start getting some viewers, man. We got this down to a science, man. We win just about every day. All right, guys. Cheers, man. Thanks for stopping by, guys. God bless you. Have a great day on purpose.